Classic red for the holidays, an all-time favorite. At Floral Design Institute, we're always hunting for the best blooms. And this time of year, poinsettias, oh, wonderful. Anthurium, too grand. All in red, a fave. Foam-free, fast, long-lasting, all of the above. The mechanics, floral netting, taped in place, filled with water already mixed with flower food. Poinsettias have already been singed. They're ready for designing. And I'm going to start the base with some ilex berries, just cutting them down and then dropping it in, repeating that, and a bit of evergreen foliage, stripping the lower portion, giving it a scrape, and letting it break the line of the container. Adding in the flowers, poinsettias, so fabulous. They've been singed, so I can't recut them, but I cut them to size, then I burn them. You'll get the full demonstration on that in the Tulip Tuesdays. Refer to the playlist for care and handling on poinsettia blooms. And I can just set that down in, making sure that it's down into the water, adjusting it around, and repeating, and around to the opposite side. Then the beauty of floral today is you can mix and match. So we've got poinsettias, we've got ilex, and anthurium. Adding in the tropicals gives it such an exotic look, a little bit more contemporary. And then going back to classic, deep red spray roses, combining the different bloom sizes and shapes and the different hues of red makes for a beautiful arrangement. As you finish the design, turn it, looking for holes, double checking where you might need to add a bloom. You can see it's a little naked back there, coming in with another of the poinsettias, tucking it in, making sure it's down into the water, turning again, double checking where else you might need a rose, placing that down in, getting a little more fullness in the emphasis area, turning it. Maybe one more of the anthurium coming out to the side, and just keep checking to make sure it looks great from all angles. The recipe, just a few stems of evergreens, then 3 stems of the ilex berry, 4 anthurium, 4 cut poinsettias, and 6 of the deep red spray rose. Classic red. If you know me, you know my favorite color is red, so this design, it's a fave. But Christmas comes in so many different colors. You'll find more inspiration, more colors on the website, flowerschool.com. If questions, you can reach us through there. Now it's your turn. Gather your favorite blooms. I hope they're red. Create a design, then take a picture and post it on social media. Be sure to hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way I'll see and we'll all see what you do as you do something you love.